A severe day tomorrow. 4029's Robert Suhr tracking those storms for us tonight. And so, Robert, what does everybody need to know, and when can we expect these storms?
Well, Mother Nature will most likely have quite a few tricks than treats up her sleeve for tomorrow. So you're going to want to have that severe weather action plan ready to go, folks. And we'll get into that in just a minute. I have a good list for you. It is a severe day tomorrow, probably from 2 or 3 in the afternoon until midnight. That looks like the best chance for those strong thunderstorms and severe thunderstorms to develop in the afternoon. All modes of severe weather are possible. If it's severe weather related, it is on the table for tomorrow. Still 1 or 2 unknowns still remain with this forecast. So you're going to want to keep checking back with us. It is really warm outside right now. Lower 70s to mid 70s. These are temperatures we saw back in July and August than in late October. A very, very mild air mass right now because of this warm front that is ahead of us. Strong southerly winds are keeping that air warm over our area, but that will quickly come to an end as this cold front makes its way. You can see that by 5 o'clock we're dealing with some showers, and then those thunderstorms really start to blossom up, and you can see them across northwest Arkansas and getting into parts of the River Valley by 7 o'clock tomorrow. Then those blast through. We could have, see these purples here, possibly some embedded supercell thunderstorms with this line of storms, but I don't want to call it a fast-moving front, but it is progressive. It will keep moving along, and you can see that by 9 o'clock, this particular model will show northwest Arkansas already out of the action. In fact, some of the action could be completely out of the area by 10 or 11 o'clock tomorrow. It just depends. This model is showing it taking a little bit longer. You see exiting portions of the River Valley between 11 o'clock and midnight, and then waking up Monday morning much cooler behind that front. Temperatures back into the 40s and 50s as opposed to the 70s. The Storm Prediction Center keeps us under an enhanced risk for tomorrow. That's a 3 on a scale of 1 to 5, meaning numerous severe thunderstorms are possible. And when we dig a little deeper, when we talk about the high wind threat, big time, we're talking about high wind threat. And this hatched area that you see here, this is where the Storm Prediction Center thinks the best chance for dangerous winds, 75 miles an hour or greater within this hatched area, right along and east of I-49 for the most part. That doesn't mean it can't happen on either side, but this is where they're thinking the best chance. Now we talk about hail. Most of northwest Arkansas to I-40, pretty good shot at severe hail. No hatched area this time, but that could be updated tomorrow. But we do have a hatched area for tornadoes, and that is particularly concerning. Anywhere in here, the possibility for tornadoes stronger or equal to EF2 strength, certainly possible. So have that severe weather action plan on hand and have your kit ready to go. This is a great graphic from the Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama. Everything that you see there on your list, you should have ready to go, including cash, hard-soled shoes, a whistle in case you need rescued should the weather get incredibly dangerous tomorrow, prescriptions, everything that should keep you alive for a couple of days in case it will take rescuers time to get to you. That's the severity that we're talking about with these storms possible tomorrow. We'll fall into the mid-60s tonight, rebound back into the upper 70s and lower 80s for tomorrow. After tomorrow, things do start to subside a little bit for Monday, and then more strong thunderstorms possible Tuesday night and Wednesday, and then we really cool down. Look at those highs, upper 50s and mid-60s by the end of the week. Definitely sweater weather on the way for the end of next week with this drop in temperatures, but we got to get through Sunday first. Chief Meteorologist Darby Bobby and myself will be here keeping you ahead of the storm. Jordan Black is keeping you ahead of sports next.